Unless...
Why you need to talk to me? Who give you my information? Who tell you I am the owner?
You're on the MLS.
Or you are another crazy person to try to me.
I'm not. Whoa, hey, buddy. I'm not interested in f***ing you.
Hello,
Mr. Zhao, I'm interested in renting some space from you, buddy.
well, my name is Carlos. Do you speak Spanish?
Sí.
¿Qué necesita y por qué me llama Yao? ¿Cómo se llama?
That's who I had as your partner, I guess. Carlos, that's you?
Yes, yeah,
Good.
It's me.
So do you operate the laundromat and you own the building both?
No.
You own the building?
No.
You work for the landlord who owns the building?
Just only I give you the maintenance for the equipment.
I'm sorry?
Maintenance. First of all, who are you?
You do equipment maintenance. Okay. I'm interested in leasing the space. I thought you were the landlord.
Yeah, but who are you? My question is, who are you?
And the first rule in a crisis situation. You negotiate first and you attack last.
Well, you negotiate first and then you attack.
You never negotiated.
Nah.
You don't know what kind of an enemy I am.
Who are you?
My name is Danny D'Angelo. I'm interested in leasing the space.
Well, this is space, I don't know. You need to talk to the landlord, not with me.
That's right. That's who I want to talk to. Who do I need to reach out to? I thought you were the landlord, but you're not. So who should I call?
But it's fine. Just only let me know when I can see you and where, and we can talk in person.
Why would I want to talk to the equipment maintenance man about a lease? Unless...
Why you need to talk to me? Who give you my information? Who tell you I am the owner?
You're on the MLS.
Or you are another crazy person to try to me.
I'm not. Whoa, hey, buddy. I'm not interested in f***ing you. You're on the MLS.
I look like...
Your telephone number is listed on... First and foremost, your English is fantastic. My Spanish is not so great. I'm trying to lease the space, so if you have some interest and intrigue and you're able to help me, then that's fine. But not everybody's out to f*** everybody, pal. Not at all.
First time in my life, I'm
Pissed off! Julius, don't do this to me! I got a car to deliver! The last thing I need is a detour in the slammer!
I want to rent the
it's
space.
fine. Just only thank you to call me. I don't have interest, and it's not my place. It's in my place, I already told you.
Obviously, there's a little bit more to it because the methodology that you're using. So you're just a maintenance guy. You're just the guy that replaces the equipment. I wonder why Laundromat LLC or laundromat companies. That's fine. You know, you don't have to discuss it with me. If it was your building and you were he pushed out like that. You're trying to f me.
Wow. Okay. That's
Interesting.
Something to unpack there.
Fun. Let's call him back. I think he's man enough to answer. What are you afraid of, bro? Why'd you quit? Yeah, he picked up the phone. The first time he picked up the phone, he didn't say anything. He's literally scared shitless as it is. He picks up the phone. He didn't say a word. I had to start talking. And, my name, no Zhao. You heard him say his name's not, he said the full name. And then you speak Spanish?
Right.
See. Doesn't know if I speak Spanish. Then he prattled off, who am I? And what work do I need done? And, you know, it's like a movie where it's always kind of, they're trying to be funny when the person speaks English and the other one speaks another language, but I can understand every word he's saying. And then I just speak English, and guess what? His English is great. I don't know anything other than the information that you provide us, but this guy in any language is a paranoid, right?
Yeah.
What do you do? What are you trying to me? Am I? But he claims to be the maintenance guy. I don't think so. Do some more research, drill down on who's, what's, where's, why's. You know, sometimes the client will have me, the one out here on a tightrope trying to figure out who's who, and I don't mind doing it. It's entertaining, certainly, but I rely on you to drill down the actual characters in this Greek tragedy so that I can get the work done. This guy knows something.
Sounds
he
good.
knows plenty. I'm not, you know, a landlord would say that they are a maintenance man, but a maintenance man would never say they were the landlord, if that helps.
Yes.
All right. Tell me what you figure out. Later.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, dude. Ciao.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.